Hey, what's up guys? My name is Hamad and welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Maddie. So in this video we will see the fastest and the easiest method to install the C and C++ compiler. So basically MinGW is widely used for the C and C++ compiling and execution process. So for that purpose we just need to go to Google and search here for new.net, or you can just simply open a new window and search for MinGW without git, and after that you will see the first link of new.net and simply click on this link. And after that you will see the in the download section you will see two options: MinGW 18.0 exe, and the another one is MinGW 18.0 without git. So mostly we don't need to use the git version of MinGW, so simply click on the MinGW 18.0 without git, and after downloading just simply go to your execution file folder and simply click on this, double click on this, and it will ask you for the extracting path. So simply click on the extract and it will automatically extract all the files in the folder named as MinGW. So I already extracted, so simply copy this folder and go to your C directory and simply paste here the MinGW folder. And after pasting just simply open your MinGW folder, and also in the MinGW folder you will see bin directory, and open the bin directory, and after that you just need to copy this path, and after copying this path you just need to add into your variable environment variables. So search here for variable, and you will see a option edit variables, edit environment variables for your account, and simply click on this, and here you will see the second option, or any other option maybe on your system, name as path. So simply click on edit, and after that just simply click on the new option, and here just paste the MinGW path to add into your user path variable, and simply click on OK, and after that just simply click on OK again, and here's open the CMD, and here for making sure our MinGW compiler is successfully installed on our system, for making sure we just need to write a command gcc hyphen hyphen version, and it will show us the version of GCC compiler. If you got any other error, so make sure you have followed all the steps, and just restart your system for one time and just run this command again, gcc hyphen hyphen version, and you will see the version of GCC compiler. Thanks for watching this video. If you got any helpful material in this video, just please thumb up this video and make a comment in this video. I will see you in next video.